Before takeoff, the pilot needs to stand at a safe distance of 6 to 10 meters behind or to the side of the drone. Following the instructions, simultaneously move the left and right steering sticks inward 45 degrees to start the motors. Slowly and continuously push the left control stick upward to initiate takeoff. Release the left control stick to automatically hover. Push the left control stick left and right to rotate the drone in place. Push the right control stick forward to fly forward following the head direction. Push the right control stick backward to fly backward, following the tail direction. Push the right control stick left or right to roll the drone to the left and right. When manually landing, the pilot needs to slowly pull the control stick down to the bottom and wait until the propellers of the drone stop rotating before releasing the control stick.